Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I think you all are very happy because you all are living at their house, at their houses. Okay? I have come again to tell about Prime Minister and their working period. And you have been already taught in classes about Prime Minister and about their periods. Okay, I'm going to tell you again so that you may remember. I hope you will remember, and if you have not written down in your notebook, you will write down in your notebook to pause the videos. Okay, get ready. The first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His working period was 15th August 1947 to 27th May 1964. And whenever Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India, it is perfect that when we became free from British, then he became the first Prime Minister of India. Second, Gulzari Lal Nanda. His period was 27th May 1964 to 9th June 1964. Third, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also a freedom fighter, and he was a great personality, belongs from Uttar Pradesh. His working period was 9th June 1964 to 11th January 1966. Next, Gulzari Lal Nanda. 11th January 1966 to 24th January 1966. Now, Indira Gandhi. I want to tell, and you have already told, and you know that the first lady Prime Minister of India was Indira Gandhi. 24th January 1966 to 24th March 1977. Indira Gandhi was also known as Iron Lady of India. And next one, Moraji Desai. His period was 24th March 1977 to 28th July 1979. And next, Charan Singh, 28th July 1979 to 14th January 1980. Again, Indira Gandhi, 14th January 1980 to 31st October 1948. 1984. And after that, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi was son of Indira Gandhi. 31st October 1984 to 2nd December 1989. Next, Vishwa Pratap Singh, 2nd December 1989 to 9th November 1990. Next, Chandrasekhar, 10th November 1990 to 21st June 1991. Next, P.V. Narasimha Rao, 21st June 1991, 16th May 1996. Next, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 16th May 1996 to 1st June 1996. Next, H.D. Dev Gowda, 1st June 1996 to 21st April 1997. Next, Inder Kumar Gujral, 21st April 1997 to 18th March 1998. After that, again, Atal Bihari Vajpayee became Prime Minister of India. Eighteenth March 1998 to 2nd May 2004. After that, Dr. Manmohan Singh, 22nd May 2004 to 17th May 2014. He became Prime Minister of India 2 times continue. Narendra Modi, he is he is present Prime Minister of India 26th May 2014 to 23rd May 2019. And again he became Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Das Modi 30 May 2019, and his period is going on now.